Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a mechatronic engineer, and in this video I'm going to show you how I design and build my own CNC 3018. The CNC 3018 is a small desktop CNC machine mainly used for hobby projects. It can work with materials like wood, acrylic, plastic, PVCB, and even light metals. Its structure is typically made using aluminum B-slot profiles like 2020 and 2040, combined with FR4 plates for structural components. The X carriage, Z carriage, and spindle mount are usually made of plastics materials such as bakelite or molded nylon, but its design has some limitations. So for my version, I'm going with a hybrid build, CNC machine parts, 3D printed component, and aluminum B-slot profiles. The new frame is built entirely using B-slot extrusion for better rigidity, and also designed a new X carriage using aluminum top and bottom plate to mount linear bearings and guided rods, plus 3D printed side plates to support the structure and hold the lead screw nut. For the Z carriage, I designed a custom bracket that holds the linear bearing and includes mounting holes for the 775 motor plate. Because these parts hold the spindle, they require better rigidity and precise alignment, so I'll be machining them in aluminum. For manufacturing these parts, I'm working with Justway, who are supporting this project. They offer a wide range of services like CNC machine, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and casting. Their ordering process is pretty straightforward. You upload your CAD files, select the manufacturing process, choose material, surface finish. In my case, is aluminum 6061 with no surface finish. You can also add any note and submit the order. Then their team review everything and send you a quotation. Justway is sponsoring the fabrication of these key components for this booth, so I'll be sharing the results and quality once the parts arrive. While I'm waiting, I'll continue working on the frame and the 3D printed components. So in the next video, I'll review the machine parts and show you the progress of the booth, so stay tuned.